are you baking a cake for?
Peanut.
For Peanut? Is it Peanut's birthday?
Yes.
Oh, you're such a good baker.
For Peanut.
Oh, that's so nice of you. You gonna sing happy birthday?
Yeah, I am.
Oh. Do you have your chef hat on? Double frosting. Oh, it looks delicious.
Okay.
You gonna put the other cake on?
That's cool.
Or are you gonna bake it again?
Mommy and Peanut and Grandma.
Oh.
I'm gonna make it for you and you and you.
Oh, that's such a good friend. Mommy wants you to sing happy birthday.
Okay.
Can you sing it right now?
I can't.
Oh.
I can't hear it.
Okay.
You.
Good job. Put that frosting on.